In the heart of Alexandria, a city of ancient wonders, the final chapter of Cleopatra's life unfolded. The queen, renowned for her beauty and intelligence, faced a cruel and inescapable fate. With Octavian's troops advancing, Cleopatra was left with no choice but to confront the inevitable. She sought refuge in the Tomb of Antony, a mausoleum built for her lover, hoping to evade capture. Desperate to avoid the humiliation of being paraded through Rome, Cleopatra devised a plan, one that would ensure her dignity remained intact. She summoned the most elite of her court, Iras and Charmion, her loyal maids. "Iras, my dear friend," Cleopatra whispered, "I have a task for you. Promise me, when I am gone, to see that Egypt remains free." Iras, with tears in her eyes, nodded, swearing an oath to protect her queen's wishes. Meanwhile, Charmion was tasked with procuring a deadly snake, a rare and deadly asp, said to strike without warning. The snake was found, and as Cleopatra prepared for her final act, she summoned her servant, Hebe. "Hebe," she commanded, "I have one last request. Ensure that I am not found alone." Hebe, his heart heavy, agreed, promising to stay by her side until the end. With the pieces in place, Cleopatra, adorned in her finest attire, awaited the arrival of the asp. As the snake slithered into the room, Cleopatra, with a calm and resolute expression, beckoned it closer. She lifted her veil, revealing her bare arm, and allowed the snake to strike. The venom coursed through her veins, and as her eyes rolled back, Cleopatra's body fell to the floor. Her servants, shocked and saddened, mourned their queen, their beloved leader, who had taken her own life in a way that was as royal and dignified as she had lived. In the end, Cleopatra's final act was a testament to her strength and determination, a queen who would rather die on her own terms than be paraded through the streets of Rome. Her death remained a mystery, shrouded in the same veil she wore in her final moments, leaving history to ponder the enigma of Cleopatra's suicide snake delivery method.